In this video, I will show you how to use the Citrix web app to access SPSS using a Windows computer. The first thing you'll need to make sure that you can do is to run the Cisco Anyconnect Vpn. That's an application that you can actually get by going to ithelp.illinoisstate.edu and clicking on the Downloads link. From there, go down to Cisco Anyconnect, click on Windows, log in using your Office 365.illstu.edu account, and from there it'll download an app for you called Cisco Anyconnect. Install that program, and when it runs for the first time, log in using your ULID. Once Cisco VPN is running, go to citrix.illinoisstate.edu and log in with your ULID. The first screen that will show up will ask you to either detect receiver or use light version. In this case, we will use the light version. And once we get to the ISU storefront page, click on the Apps button, and you will see IBM SPSS Statistics 26 available under All Apps. Click on that, and it will load SPSS in your web browser. This may take a few moments, but shortly you'll see a familiar screen. There it is. Excellent. Now, to get data into this file, you need to do a couple of different things. So first, you have to know that this is running what's called a virtual machine. In other words, it's running on a computer that will erase all memory of that previous session. So in order to upload files to it, you need to go up to this little menu bar, click on Upload, and then from your own computer, take the data set or working files that you want to work with. So I have mine already saved in my Documents folder, so I will choose my data set here. And it will now ask me where it wants to upload to the virtual machine. And in this case, we can do a number of things. I might choose my name, and I think I'll go to Documents, and I will say OK. All right, so that means that file is now available on this virtual machine. So I can now go to Recent Files. I'll say Open Another File. And I can look under, rather than my desktop, I'll choose my Documents. There we go. And in this case, I want to upload a CSV file, so all files, and there's that data set. So open, and it will generate a preview in just a moment. And there it is. So now I have my data set uploaded both onto the virtual machine and now put into SPSS. Now I can run whatever statistics that I need to. And when I'm done, let's say I want to save this or export it. So I'll just save this as a SPSS test file. There we go. And I will save. And now this is on my virtual machine's documents. So in order to get that out, I now need to download it to my own personal computer. So I will go back up to this menu. I will click on Download. And I will click on SPSS test file. And when I say Open, notice it downloaded it now to Windows for me. All right, so it is now exported into my Downloads folder in my own computer. So that's something that, again, is available to you. It's an excellent tool that allows you to use SPSS from off campus, and I hope it works well for you.